To receive Phantom Wallet, create wallet. Follow these steps. First, ensure you have a compatible device and a web browser. Phantom Wallet is a digital wallet for Solana, so you need to have a Solana account. Start by going to the Phantom Wallet website and clicking on the download button to install the Phantom Wallet extension on your browser. Once installed, click on the Phantom Wallet icon in your browser toolbar and select Create New Wallet. You will be asked to create a password and confirm it. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password and keep it safe. Next, you will be given a seed phrase, which is a list of words that can be used to restore your wallet. Write down the seed phrase and keep it in a safe place. Do not share it with anyone. After verifying the seed phrase, your wallet will be created and you will be able to see your Solana account address. You can now use this address to receive Solana and other Solana-based tokens. To receive funds, click on the Receive button in your Phantom Wallet. Copy the address and share it with the sender. Make sure to only share your address with trusted parties and never share your seed phrase or password. By following these steps, you can easily create a Phantom Wallet and start receiving Solana and other Solana-based tokens.